Hey Glam Fam, welcome back to my channel. You guys already know who it is. It's your girl Meghan Drexel here with another video today. If you guys are new to my channel, hello, welcome. We are the Glam Fam and we are so happy you joined us. Today's tutorial is a one brand makeup tutorial using Makeup Revolution. So if you guys are curious in how I use these products, what products I purchased, and if you guys should purchase anything, go ahead and just keep watching. Well, Glam Fam, I am caffeinating at the moment. All the products today will be Makeup Revolution. If anything in between isn't Makeup Revolution, I'll be sure to let you guys know. With that being said, you guys know that I like to start with my eyes, and I actually picked up the Makeup Revolution Pro Full Coverage Camouflage Concealer, but this is in the shade C6, but I do kind of like this texture. It is very full coverage. One way I like to check how much full coverage it is we'll just... Oh, yeah, she's gone. Oh, yeah. Okay. That's my kind of concealer. You guys know I like cake. So I'm just going to start with my Morphe M224 concealer brush. And I'm just going to do patting motions to get a full color payoff. This is a really good concealer that if you're growing out your eyebrows, it will hide your eyebrow hairs. So if you guys are somewhat familiar with Makeup Revolution, they actually have these amazing $7 eyeshadow palettes. I feel like these all are very beginner friendly, and I think that they're pretty good quality for the amount of money that you're paying. And they just recently released 4 new ones. The first one is the Reloaded Visionary palette, which ironically looks like the Norvina palette. Just saying. Then they released the Basic Mattes, which is just all matte shadows. They also released Neutrals 3, which I really love this palette. And then they released Velvet Rose, which also ironically looks exactly like Huda Beauty's Rose Gold palette, but I'm not mad at it. As always, I'm starting with my MAC 224 crease brush, and I'm gonna be taking this color right here. It reminds me a lot of Orange Soda from Anastasia. One thing I quickly want to point out is the fallout in these palettes. Now, the fallout in these palettes are real, but at the same time, I mean, it's a $7 palette and you're getting 15 eyeshadows. And I don't think that you can really complain about it. They're really good like everyday eyeshadow palettes, or if you guys are traveling and you don't want to take your super expensive stuff. I don't think I've tried one product from them yet. Oh wait, I take that back. There is a product that I was really disappointed in, and it was the Dupe concealer that a lot of people were mentioning for the Tarte Shape Tape after everybody was like, Tarte Shape Tape is canceled. No, my next move is my Morphe 514 brush. It's not a shocker. I'm gonna take that it looks like Sienna from Anastasia Beverly Hills. We're gonna start working it over that first shadow that we just laid down. Okay, I'm feeling pretty even here. We're looking real blended right now. Let's see, what's the next color? What's our next move? Our next move has to be our best move. We're gonna mix that same shade with this shade right here, and we're gonna start working it on the outer corner, and we're gonna see where that takes us, and then we may begin working it on the inside corner as well. I'm gonna use my Urban Decay E209 blending brush, and I'm gonna blend out my harsh edges right there. Taking that same combo with that same Morphe 514 brush, and what I like to do when doing a halo eye and getting in the corner is I like to lower my hand mirror and look down, and you never want to go like this and stretch your eye because you're not going to be walking around like, hey guys, how are you? Okay, so I'm going to take this shade right here, the one at the top with It's My Ray Ray No. 7 pencil brush. And we're gonna start darkening that inner and outer corner. And I'm just doing tapping motions once again. We're here to work together, not against each other, okay? I'm living for this eyeshadow palette right now, you guys. I'm taking this very small Select Artist Princeton brush, number 4. So I just got more of the C6 Makeup Revolution Pro Concealer. And I'm not gonna go all the way with this color. What I'm gonna do is just mark the area. So while this is still wet, I'm gonna take another flat brush from Michaels, same line by Princeton brushes. It's just a little bit bigger. And I'm gonna pack on that super beautiful gold color right here. It's kind of like a pressed glitter. Oh, it's like a foiled color. Okay. I wonder if it would work better with my finger, so I'm gonna, sorry guys, I'm flipping you off again. Oh yeah, that works way better with the finger. This color, this lid color, is reminding me so much of Hard Sub Gold, the Dose of Color Block Party shadows. Okay, so I just went ahead and I did my eyeliner. I used Morphe's Jet Gel Eyeliner, and I used Lily Lashes in the style Rome for her Sephora collection. So here we are. Moving right along, we're gonna use the Revolution Pro Radiant Peach Primer. It's a brightening primer. That's what it kind of looks like. She's pretty runny. So I'm gonna use, what brush? We'll use a Duo Fiber brush. This is just an old Duo Fiber brush that I have from Morphe. I forgot who it was that I saw using this primer, and it just took her skin to a whole nother level. Oh yeah. Another primer that I chose to pick up was an under eye illuminating primer. This is by the Revolution Pro as well. And I was really intrigued by this. I didn't put on any eye cream. Oh, it has like a pearlescent finish to it. Oh God, now I'm nervous. Okay, I'm really nervous about pearlescent things underneath my eye. Oh yeah. Okay. Let's see what happens when we rub it in. Oh, that is different and exciting. For the foundation, I picked up the Revolution Pro Full Coverage Camouflage Foundation in the shade number 8. Now that I'm seeing it, it might be a little peachy. Okay, wait. That's like my exact color. I'm gonna do this side of my face, my left, your guys' is right. I'm gonna do this with a sponge, and then I'm gonna do the other side with a brush. It's not so matte that I feel dry, but it is it's like a demi matte, so it has more of like a sheen to it instead of a powdery finish like a typical full coverage foundation would. Okay, I'm kind of freaked out because this is like my exact shade, and I never A, wear my exact shade, or B, can never find my exact shade, so I'm shook. I prefer the side with the brush a lot better. They also sent me this free Ultra Base color corrector. Use that shade really quickly. I'm just gonna use my finger with it. I'm using my pinky for the color corrector. I just need to hit the inside corners of my eyes because they're just crazy. And now I'm taking the concealer on my ring finger. Okay, I don't know if I'm crazy or if this under eye primer did something for me. I need to take a minute for this concealer. Like, my wig is snatched right now, but I gotta contour, okay? Because this double chin, she's alive and well. I'm using the Revolution Fast Base Foundation Stick in the shade F12. This is also very, very creamy, I would like to point out. This is a way toned down contour color for me, but I could probably use that. So if you guys know, you know, the Makeup Revolution baking powders are phenomenal. I like to mix the banana shade and the lace shade, more pink, more yellow. I just like to mix them. So what I'm gonna do first is lay down banana, and then I'll put lace right on top. Here is our do or die moment. I'm so nervous. Wait, there's literally, oh my God, you guys. Honestly, oh my God. Stop it right now. Okay, hold on. So far, it's looking really good. I'm really shooketh, and I'm very, very excited if this stands. All right, here's the moment of truth. Does it peel back like a sticker? I know what's happened to you. Don't even lie to me. Taking the clean end of my Sonia Kashuk sponge. All right, that's it. I'm ready for 2019. This is so good. Like, I'm scared that this is almost too good to be true. Honestly, I don't think my under eyes have ever looked this bright, this concealed, and this smooth all at the same time. I've never even touched an under eye primer for concealer before. That is just like unheard of, and now it makes me question, why isn't there more of those on the market? At least I don't really hear anybody talk about an under eye primer. I hear people talk about under eye cream. I commend you, Makeup Revolution, for doing the damn thing and for making it affordable and for making it absolutely amazing. Makeup Revolution also sent me a bunch of gifts with my order, and one of those gifts was this, what is this? Ultra Contour Kit, Lightning Contour in 02. And that still looks pretty light for me, but I'm kind of intrigued by this bronzer, so that's the bronzer we're going to use today. You know what this actually reminds me of? This reminds me of Sun Power from MAC. I got one of the Revolution Pro 4K highlighter palettes. This is what it looks like. I think what I want to do is mix these two right here. I'm using a Morphe 531 brush, and I'm digging into both of these. Oh my goodness, you guys. Oh my God. This is a definite must. You guys absolutely 120% need to put me back on pause and go purchase that. While I finished my brows, I also did my waterline, and I used Morphe's Bar Pencil Eyeliner in my waterline and then just added a coat of mascara. And then in my brows is Kat Von D's Medium Brown Pomade, and that's it. And I'm using the Makeup Revolution Retro Luxe Matte Lip Kit in the shade, what is this, Noble. And it does come with a lip liner as well as a liquid lipstick. I feel like this is an exact dupe for a MAC Spice lip liner. Okay, so I do like the lip liner. I can tell that it used to be more of a gel formula, but it's in the midst of drying out. And I'm gonna use Noble, the matching liquid lip. So this is the final look that I came up with. I wanted to give you guys some of my final thoughts, and I want to start with the products that I didn't like so much, and that is none of them. The lip color right now is feeling a bit more dry than I would like it to. The products that I would highly recommend is definitely the foundation, Revolution Under Eye Illuminating Concealer Primer, as well as the Full Coverage Camouflage Revolution Pro Concealer. Of course, last but not least, the Revolution Pro 4K Highlighter Palette in gold. I am so taken back by this palette, you guys. Typically, what an Anastasia highlighter palette is $42. This is $12, you guys. That is it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this one brand makeup tutorial. If you guys have any questions or comments, you guys know what to do with them. Drop them down in the comment box below. Do not leave here without hitting that subscribe button and that notification bell. That way you guys are always in the know when I upload a new video. And as always, Glam Fam, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.